Well, it's a bad day, boys and girls. We have a sarb with a dead ECU. So, customer bought this in yesterday. He was driving it, it was perfectly fine. I've done work to this before. There's a swell flap delete on the 1.9 diesel engine in it. And it came in yesterday. And if we look here, what's missing from this picture? I'll give you a clue. It should be over there, next to that. And we should have an engine management light. But it's missing. So if we flick this off, flick it back on, no engine management light. We've got a lot of other lights, but no engine management. And if you turn it to the crank position, we get nothing. And obviously we've got the messages on here. Now, interestingly, so if you come down to floor level, the ECU on these is behind the driver's side front corner, which is a really stupid place to stick an ECU, but there's a lot of manufacturers do it. This is one of the reasons, I mean, these fail. He's actually had this repaired once before, and I suspect it may be the repair that's failed internally. As you can see, I've got the wiring harness open here, and we've gone through. So on this particular harness, I'll show you over here. So you can see we've got the diagram here of the ECU. That light's going to get you, and that's flickering. Brilliant. So on this ECU, there is a white wire here, pin 7, 5 even. Pin 5 is a power. So we checked pin 5. Pin 5 has power at the ECU. And if we look here, we have a splice on 2, 4 and 6, which are all earths for the ECU. We've checked those, all the earths. Power up a test light, no problem. Then we come up to here, so we've also got, so you've got the white trace there, and if you come up here, it says easier said than done. You also have, which pin was it? I think it was 70. So you've got this power here off of this, that's the fuse box, that's the relay. There's two 10 amp fuses for this, which I've checked both of. You've got relay here, so that's the 10 amp fuse for the, which is number 4. So I'll just show you in the fuse box. We've got these here in the main fuse box 1 under the engine bay. So you've got these two 10 amps at the top here are the ECU. You've also got this relay and this relay here. Those are your two main relays, and these are your two main fuses for the vehicle, for the ECU. They're both fine. I checked those first, obviously, before coming to the ECU itself. So yeah, we've got that one there. Now you can see we've also got a couple of others. Now these are splices as well. So even though this 10 amp one here, yeah, you've got the 10 amp one there, and that 10 amp one comes out and goes down to pin 28, which I've also checked. Pin 28 has power. So we have power, we have grounds, we have everything we need to make the ECU work, and the ECU does not function. So at this point we are going to call the ECU. Unfortunately that means sarb down. Thanks for watching, catch you on the next one.